In 2025, the American SUV market stands at a revolutionary crossroads, where families across the United States are confronted with one of the most significant automotive decisions of the decade, choosing between the new generation of electric SUVs and the traditional, time-tested gas-powered SUVs. This transformation is not happening suddenly. Rather, it is the result of years of technological evolution, environmental awareness, government incentives, and shifts in family lifestyles. When American families ask the question, electric versus gas, which SUV wins in 2025, they are not simply asking about fuel type. They are asking which vehicle can best support their daily needs, their future goals, their economic reality, their personal comfort, and their sense of responsibility toward the environment. The debate is more layered and complicated than it has ever been. Electric SUVs bring a future-oriented promise of long-term savings, quiet rides, zero-emission driving, and advanced safety technology, while gas SUVs offer immediate convenience, lower upfront cost, familiar refueling infrastructure, stable performance in all weather conditions, and a hard-earned reputation for reliability over decades. Electric SUVs like the Tesla Model Y, Rivian R1S, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Kia EV6, Chevrolet Blazer EV, Kia EV9, and Mercedes EQS SUV have revolutionized driving experience by providing instant torque, smooth acceleration, smart infotainment systems, and cabin designs that make families feel like they are stepping into the future. When a family drives an electric SUV, the silence in the cabin, the absence of engine vibrations, the sleek digital dashboards, and the automated driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping technology create an entirely new sense of comfort that traditional gas SUVs often cannot match. The maintenance advantages of EVs are equally impressive. No oil changes, no exhaust system repairs, no timing belts, no spark plugs, and fewer parts to break down mean fewer surprises and less money spent at mechanic shops. Over the course of 10 years, many families discover that an electric SUV can save them thousands of dollars just because the vehicle requires so little servicing. Even brake pads last much longer because regenerative braking reduces wear. For busy parents managing work, school schedules, sports practice, and weekend activities, fewer car repair appointments mean less stress and more time saved. Yet, the upfront price of electric SUVs continues to be a major barrier. In 2025, even though battery prices have decreased significantly compared to earlier years, many EVs still cost more than their gas-powered competitors. A well-equipped gas SUV like the Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot might cost $38,000 to $45,000, while an equivalent electric SUV could easily cost $48,000 to $60,000 before incentives. Federal tax credits help, but they are not guaranteed for every model due to manufacturing requirements. Some families qualify easily for the $7,500 credit, while others struggle to understand eligibility rules or do not have enough tax liability to benefit fully from the incentive. This creates confusion and hesitation among buyers. Meanwhile, gas SUVs maintain their appeal because their pricing is straightforward and familiar. Families do not have to apply for incentives or understand battery warranties. They simply purchase the vehicle and drive away. For middle-income households or families with multiple children, lower upfront costs can make the decision lean heavily toward gas. Driving habits also play a crucial role. Families living in suburban or rural areas may drive longer distances daily, especially in states like Texas, Montana, Wyoming, and the Dakotas. While EVs have improved ranges, many now exceeding 300 miles on a full charge, long trips still require planning around charging stations. Although America's public charging network has grown dramatically, with thousands of new stations added under federal funding, the experience is not always consistent. Some chargers may be out of service, slow, or located in inconvenient spots. This makes long-distance EV travel unpredictable for families with children who want quick, hassle-free stops. Gasoline refueling, on the other hand, is available everywhere, making it the default choice for long road trips. Winter performance is another important factor. Families living in cold weather states know that freezing temperatures can quickly drain EV battery ranges. An electric SUV rated for 300 miles may only provide 210 to 230 miles in harsh winter conditions if heaters and defrosters are used heavily. This makes some families nervous, especially those who depend on predictability for their daily commute. Gas SUVs, by comparison, perform consistently in cold weather and maintain stable driving ranges regardless of temperature. However, this does not mean that electric SUVs are unsuitable for winter. New heat pump systems and battery thermal management are drastically improving cold weather performance. But traditional SUVs still hold the psychological advantage in these regions. Towing and outdoor activities also influence the decision. Many American families love camping, boating, and RV trips. Gas SUVs like the Ford Explorer, Jeep Grand Cherokee, and Chevy Tahoe have strong towing capacities and do not lose range drastically when towing. Electric SUVs, despite having strong torque, experience significant range drops when towing heavy loads. A Rivian R1S or Tesla Model X can tow impressively, but a trailer can reduce range by 40 to 50%, requiring more charging stops. For families who tow frequently or explore remote areas with limited charging access, gas SUVs are more practical. Although the future may bring better EV towing capabilities and more rural charging stations, gas vehicles currently maintain the advantage in this category. Interior space, comfort, and features are also critical for families. Electric SUVs often have flatter floors due to their battery placement, creating more cabin space and comfort. In contrast, gas SUVs sometimes offer better third-row seating, especially in larger models. Tech-savvy families are drawn to electric SUVs for their massive touchscreens, premium audio systems, and smart features like over-the-air updates, where the vehicle improves automatically over time without visiting a dealership. Gas SUVs offer technology too, but updates are slower, and many depend on dealership servicing. Environmental concerns are a major point of discussion. Electric SUVs produce no tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and helping move America toward climate goals. Many families feel proud knowing their vehicle contributes to cleaner air. However, critics point out that battery production requires mining lithium and other minerals, raising environmental and ethical concerns. Even so, studies consistently show that EVs produce significantly fewer total emissions across their lifetime compared to gas SUVs, especially when powered by renewable energy sources. Many eco-conscious families therefore prefer electric SUVs because they align with their values of sustainability and environmental responsibility. Resale value trends are shifting. While gas SUVs have traditionally held their value due to widespread demand, electric SUVs are beginning to show strong resale performance, especially models with long ranges and strong reputations. However, concerns about battery aging continue to influence resale dynamics. Families worry whether the battery will last 12 to 15 years without major degradation. Thankfully, modern EV batteries are lasting much longer than expected, and many manufacturers offer warranties of 8 years or 100,000 miles, alleviating some of these concerns. Another layer of complexity involves energy costs. Electricity is generally cheaper per mile than gasoline, especially with home charging. A family that charges at home overnight could save hundreds or thousands of dollars each year compared to buying gas. But in states where electricity prices are high, such as California or New England, the cost difference may not be as dramatic. Meanwhile, gasoline prices fluctuate rapidly based on global politics, supply chains, and refinery issues. Families must consider their local electricity rates and typical gas prices when deciding which SUV will be cheaper to own in the long run. By 2025, the American government's push toward electrification continues influencing consumer choices. Some states offer additional rebates, carpool lane access, or tax reductions for EV owners. Other states have announced future bans on gas vehicle sales, encouraging families to think long-term about the resale value and longevity of a gas SUV purchase today. Families trying to future-proof their purchases often consider EVs safer bets for long-term relevance. But others remain cautious, waiting for the charging infrastructure to become more universal before committing. At the end of this extremely detailed comparison, the big question remains: which SUV wins for the average American family in 2025? The answer is not a single winner. It depends entirely on the family's lifestyle, location, budget, and driving habits. For families with home charging, predictable commutes, interest in modern technology, and desire for long-term savings, electric SUVs clearly come out ahead. They offer a smoother ride, lower maintenance, cutting-edge technology, environmental benefits, and a futuristic driving experience. But for families with long travel distances, towing needs, rural living, cold climates, tight budgets, or a preference for simplicity and familiarity, gas SUVs still provide unmatched convenience, lower initial cost, predictable performance, and long-term reliability. So, in truth, the real winner is the family that makes a choice aligned with its unique needs, not trends, not pressure, but practicality. Electric SUVs are the future, but gas SUVs still rule many parts of the present. In 2025, both remain strong contenders, giving families more freedom, more options, and more technological advancements than ever before in the history of the American SUV market.